HQ, the pulse and all things now.
Many English words and parts of words can be traced back to Latin or Greek. If you know the meaning of a word's parts, you can probably guess what it means. A root, also called a stem, is part of the word that gives its basic meaning, but can't be used by itself. Roots need other word parts to complete them, either a prefix at the beginning or a suffix at the end, or sometimes both. The following tables give some examples of Greek and Latin roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Latin roots. The first one is the root aqua. Its basic meaning is water. An example, aquarium. An aquarium is a glass tank filled with water in which people keep fish or other underwater animals. The second one is the root port. Its meaning is to carry. An example, transport. A transport is any vehicle that you can travel in or carry goods in. The third one is the root scribe or script. Its meaning is to write. Example, prescription. A prescription is a piece of paper on which a doctor writes an order for medicine. Latin prefixes. The first one is the prefix co. Its meaning is together. An example, cooperate. Cooperate is working with someone or helping them for a particular purpose. The second one is the prefix re. Its meaning is again or back. Example, rewrite. Rewrite or rewriting is writing in a different way in order to improve it. The third one is the prefix sub. Its meaning is under. An example, a subway. A subway is a passage underneath a busy road or a railway track for people to walk through. Latin suffixes. The first one is the suffix fi. Its meaning is to make or cause to become. Example, horrify. Horrify is a feeling of shock. The second one is the suffix li or spelled as ly. Its meaning is like or to the extent of. Example, highly. Highly. You use it to indicate that someone has an important position in an organization or the rest of the people. The third one is the suffix t or spelled as ty. Its meaning is a state of or the power to. Example, purity. Purity is the state of being clean. Greek roots. The first one is the root dem, which means people. An example, democracy. Democracy is a system of government in which people choose the rulers by voting them in elections. The second one is the root phon, which means sound. An example is a telephone. A telephone is an electrical system of communication that you use to talk directly to someone else in a different place. The third one is the root scope, which means to see. An example is the word telescope. A telescope is a long instrument that has lenses inside it that makes distant things seem larger and nearer. Greek prefixes. The first one is the prefix a or an, which means without or not. An example, anaerobic. Anaerobic is a characteristic of creatures that do not need oxygen in order to function or survive. The second one is the prefix micro, which means small. An example, a microscope. A microscope is a scientific instrument which makes very small objects look bigger so that more detail can be seen. The third one is the prefix tele, which means far off. Its example is a television. A television is a piece of electrical equipment consisting of a box with a glass screen on it on which you can watch programs. Greek suffixes. The first one is the suffix graph. Its meaning is to write, to draw, to describe, or to record. An example is a photograph. A photograph is a picture that is made using a camera. The second one is the suffix logi, which means a talk, a speech, or a study. An example is biology. Biology is the science that is concerned with the study of living things. The third one is the suffix meter, which means measure or a measuring device. An example, kilometer. Kilometer is the metric unit of distance or length. Reading is the basic key to understanding different words. So the more you do it, the more words you learn. But if you are unable to know a word's meaning, you should consult a dictionary. A dictionary helps you not just in learning the word's etymology or history, but also its other meanings and pronunciation. By doing this, you will surely have a wider vocabulary,